Hi folks, welcome to MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. My name is Michael Pagano, and today I'm going to take you through our brand new 2021 Sea Ray 270 SDX Outboard. Starting back here in the transom, you have this really nice spacious sun pad. It has two positions you can put it in. Right now, it's deployed so your legs will be at a nice angle. When you lift it up and flatten it out, it creates one big large sun pad. Back here, you have sea deck on the swim platform. This boat's equipped with a Mercury 300 horsepower. Working our way in the boat, you'll notice this boat is equipped with a ski tow pylon for skiing, tubing, knee boarding. Over on the starboard side, you do have a flip down step for boarding the boat. In here is the entertaining cockpit. You can equip the table and eat back here if you'd like. These two backrests flip this way. So this can be one big area for entertaining and enjoying time out on the water. There's an in-floor storage compartment, very spacious. At the helm here, you have all your switches laid out. They all have lights so you can see which one's on or which ones are off. This is equipped with a Fusion stereo system and one big Simrad digital dash. Working our way up to the, actually let me mention over here, there's a spacious head compartment. It has a freshwater sink inside. Working our way to the bow, on the port and starboard side, both seat cushions lift up to reveal a insulated storage compartment. You can also fill with ice and use it as a cooler. Then when the ice melts, it drains overboard. All the way forward, you have this very nice anchor windlass. It's operated by a switch on the dash. So when you come up to your favorite sandbar, you can deploy the anchor by a push of a button. If you have any questions about this boat or any of our other boats, feel free to give us a call at 609-926-0600. See you out on the water.